All right, Elliot.
All right, so I have the joy of putting the the window mechanisms in, try to get them up and down. And these are the bags of tools, or bags of parts and bolts and screws and randomness that we have. And this is a 46, 47, 48 book, and this is about the only picture we got that has to do with anything inside this door.
At least it's a convertible door.
Yes, at least that's a convertible door. But I mean, there's other stuff in here, but I mean, that's basically it, you know.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of references. So what I'm going off of is old knowledge from random doors that I've done in the past. So I was able to get this track in. This is the mechanism in behind here. And in order to do all this, you basically got to take it all apart, put it in piece by piece, and then finagle it in. Some of the stuff that we have now, like I said, I'm just trying to get pieces to where they're going before I even consider trying to put a piece of glass in here and crack it and break it. It's got random bump stops, so you're looking, basically what you're doing after you find random stuff like this is you're looking for holes that will fit these holes. So you try to start putting it together and try to use common sense to figure out, okay, more than likely a bump stop will go in down here because it'll stop at the bottom. But sometimes these window mechanisms, especially in a convertible, you have bump stops that will hold the window from going up too high. Mm-hmm. So when you close it, I mean, usually when you close it, you don't smack on things and break it. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. And like when you open up a bag, it doesn't say that, hey, this random bracket's going to go over here to hold all this stuff together.
It should.
Yeah, it should.
If we took the car apart,
if we took the car apart, we would have a picture of this, and then a picture of this off, probably labeled the whole 9 yards. So that's what I'm getting the joy of yelling back here by myself.
Yeah.
But piece by piece, one piece at a time, just like Johnny Cash said, one piece at a time, you'll finally get it. Slowly but surely. Hey, George.
Hey.
We got a window, man.
Window, yep.
A working mechanism. Gotta get everything fitted. Credence, man. It works. Not bad. Not having any cat whiskers or grease in it. Seems to operate all right. Okay. Now, putting in the rear window. If you look down there, that's where it goes. But if you look closely, right down there where that little hole is, right there, there's supposed to be a bracket that comes up. And as you can see, that's the screw for it, or the nut, whatever you want to call it. And they just left it in there, broke it off, and pulled this railing out. So there should be a bracket similar to that back there, down there. So that's just one more thing that is awesome about this car. So gotta take that back out and make a bracket. Weld her on. Well, as of right now, Our job here is trying to get broken heads and stripped out screws out, but working on the window system here. As I said in the last video, we got the driver's side pretty well done. The passenger side we had put in originally, but we're missing some parts and got pieces broken and everything, so pretty much dedicate the rest of the time to the driver's side, make sure that works. Go back, recheck everything that we have for the passenger side, make sure we don't have anything missing. But like I said, he's pulling strip bolts right now, and I'm pulling strip screws. So, solved a couple of mysteries. We got a couple of pieces, some stoppers and some rollers, some window guides basically that needed spots, and we ended up finding one that was stripped out and still in there, so we solved the mystery with that. So that's always a plus.